Subscribe to our channel, then never miss any updated videos from our channel.
Hello viewers, welcome back to my Educated Info channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix home screen layout is locked. So here it shows, so this work is we can't move any of the app to another place. So let me tell you how to disable this option. So before starting this video, subscribe my channel and also give that like. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings. So scroll down and then click on the gear icon. So let me click on that, and then here scroll down. So now you can see home screen, click on it. So here scroll down and then here you can see additional settings. So here is the home screen option. Is this in a second option? Click on it. So now you can see lock home screen layout. So this is enabled. So now I'm gonna disable this option. So just click on it. So now we have disabled this option. So let me check it out. So now I'm moving this app to another place. So I can do this now. So now you can move this app, any of the app, to another place. So this is the way you can use this method following instructions. I hope this video helpful by you. Subscribe my channel and also give that like. Thanks for watching.